morning, Year 1, and today I'm going to teach you another sound, and today is quite a funny sound. Are you ready? It's ooh, 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 poo at the zoo, ooh, poo at the zoo. As you can see from the picture, the zookeeper is taking all of the poo that's at the zoo, ooh, poo at the zoo. And it looks like this. This is a really, really easy sound. We have got two letters that make one sound, and they are called special friends. Well done. We have got the letter O and the letter O together. So you know when you see the letter O and the O together, it makes the ooh sound. Well done. Ooh, 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 poo at the zoo. Good job, Year 1s. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Good job. Now I'm going to hide our smelly ooh sound in our big pile of sound cards. When you see it, you point and say, found you. Let's go. O, R, E, ow, or, I, ng, k, sh, a. Found you. We found ooh. Let's see if we can do it a little bit faster this time. Unk, up, qu, j, w, ch. Found you. Good job, Year 1s. Let's see if we can do it really, really fast this time. Let's go. Oi, y, v, z, x. Found you. Good job, Year 1s. Now I have got some green words. So remember, what we need to do is find the special friends, Fred in our head, and then read the word. Special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Food, special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Zoo, special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Pool, special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Two, special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Spoon. I have got some more here from sounds that we have already learned. So take your time in recognising the special friends in these words. Special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Sport, special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Start, special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Low, I have got some nonsense words here. So remember, special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Swook, swook. Special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Sploot, sploot. Special friends, Fred in your head, read the word. Plare, Good job. What a load of nonsense. I have got some red words here for us to read. Are you ready? No, of, put, he, I, the, your, my, of, put, he, I, the. Good job, year one. Now it's time to hold a sentence. So get your thread fingers ready to count how many words are in our sentence today. Our sentence is, on the moon was a pool. On the moon was a pool. There are 6 words in our sentence. Well done. Pinch with me. On the moon was a pool. 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 Tell your grown-ups. Tell me. Clap it once more. On the moon was a pool. So in this sentence, we need to make sure that we have got our capital letter, which is going to be the capital letter O. We also need to remember our finger spaces. And at the end of every sentence needs to be a full stop. We also need to be making sure that in our sentence, we have got our special friend sound today, which is oo. On the moon was a pool. My first word is on. We need to make sure that we have got our capital O in this word. On, then we need a finger space. Well done. On, then the red word, the, on the moon. Good job. So we've got oo, This word has got our special oo sound today. On the moon was. Now was is a red word. That means that we can't sound it out. If we were to sound it out, it would be was, and that just sounds silly. So look very closely at this word. This is how you spell was. On the moon was a, good job, pool. And that also has got our special friend sound today. On the moon was a pool. I am missing something from my sentence. Can you tell me what it is? Well done. I am missing my full stop. Remember, at the end of every sentence, year ones, you need to be including a full stop. Let's read it once more. On the moon was a pool. Take a picture. Now it is your turn to write the sentence. Once you have written your sentence, remind your grown-up to take a picture and send it in to the grown-ups at school so we can look. See you tomorrow.